Yeah, buddy! Fucking love it! Canadian Kamote rider here, diba? Fuck you! Well, I've done the maintenance. I did the wheel bearing. I just did my chain. But we're gonna go to the car wash this bike up. As you can see, oh hey, it's just dirty. Dirty. So we're gonna go to the car wash and fix that. Waiting for it to warm up. Maintenance. Always stay on top of your maintenance. Do your maintenance. If you don't know how to do it or don't want to do it or whatever, get somebody to do it. The bottom line is always do it. Either have it done or you do it or whatever. Yeah, this is pretty warm. Alright. Fuck you. Fuck you, cat. Fuck you, cat. Oh, shit. I didn't keep my drying rag. Fuck. I got a rag that I keep in the trunk to dry the bike off after I wash it, and I just remembered I took it out. So let's go get one. This is what you want. Right? Oh, that's just little fluffs. Anyways, oh look, tulips are coming up. My wife will like that. She likes tulips. Alrighty, let's put this in the trunk and then we'll try this again. Oh, look at that chain. Oh, I don't know if the camera can pick it up. Oh, look at that, nice and clean, shiny. She looks brand new. Alrighty, just put that in there for now. I got so much room in here, it's so funny. Every other bike I've seen, they got like no room in there. I actually put a pair of jeans rolled up, stuffed it under here, a pair of jeans, a pair of shorts, a t-shirt, socks, boxers, and I think one more t-shirt. I made it all fit in here. Because of this hump too, this rise, you get a little extra room up top. But one time I went to McDonald's, or no, A&W, and what the hell am I doing? Sitting here talking, not realizing. Kamote. So anyways, yeah, went to A&W and we picked up some food, and we were gonna bring it back to this guy's house, and I didn't have a backpack, so I put it in there. And 2 burgers, 2 fries, obviously no drinks, obviously. But yeah, alrighty. Let's go wash this dirty bike. Yeah, let's go right here. that ready in the brush. Last time I put $5 in, and it was way too much time. So this time we're gonna put $3. Toonie loony. Alrighty, let's have at it. Let the fun begin. Woohoo! Yeah. Puppy happening. Come on. Start working. Come on. Let's go. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Oh, nice and clean. Motor's warm, that's for sure. Smoking. Okay. Oop, shit. Last time I sprayed, I forgot about that. Sprayed some water in there. But as soon as I started it up, it shot it out. So it was pretty funny, actually. Oh, you kidding me? Shit. I only got a $20 bill on me. I don't got any change. Oh, shit. Shit. Alright. Last time I was here, the stupid change thing wasn't working. Let's see if it's working now. Of course not. Oh, that's just lovely. Fuck you, Taganamo. Shit. I got no change on me. Fuck. Now what? Yeah, maybe this guy's got change. I don't know. Oh, lady, not guy, sorry. Hi. Hi. Would you happen to have change? That change machine's not working now.
No, I don't. I just brought
I need one loony.
Oh, that's too bad.
I got soap all over my bike. What's that?
I'll give you a loony.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You don't have to. I just wanted to rinse the rest of the soap off.
No, take it.
Oh.
Will that do it?
Oh, absolutely. Thank you very much. I wasn't expecting that.
No, you gotta help people.
Oh.
I'm like that.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
I'm like that.
Oh, thank you. If I see you around Tim Hortons or something, I'll buy you a coffee.
Oh.
Okay, thank you.
Don't worry about it.
Oh, that's awesome. See that? Look at that, people. What a nice lady. And I don't know her. I've never met her before. Just asking her for change. Oh, that's awesome. Now we can finish rinsing this soap off. Oh, thank you to this lady. See how nice Canadians are? Well, some. Not all. But then again, I'm sure it's like that everywhere else in the world too. You know, let's put some clear coat protectant. It actually makes the water bead off pretty good. See, as you can see, watch. Yeah, it just beads off. Gotta let it get through the line here. There we go. Okay. Clear coat protected. Alrighty. Wow. I still can't believe that old lady. That was really nice of her. Clear coat protectant, and then we'll put it back on to rinse. Oh, not soap. Put her on to rinse, and then once the stuff gets out of the line, let's see what I mean. Oh, I ran out again. Oh well, that's gonna have to do it. Oh, this one runs longer, does it? I'll remember that next time. I'll use this one. Thank you again. I really appreciate that. Thank you. Wow, what a nice lady. So you did see me spray water this way here, but you don't spray it right on, directly on the electronics. I don't even like hitting the switches too much, but there was soap underneath the windscreen here, so that's why I hit it there on the windscreen, and then it goes down and out, so it's not as big of a deal as spraying directly right on the electronics. Yes, they're waterproof, yes, there's seals and blah blah blah, but this is a general rule. I don't like to, oh, I moved my mirror. I don't like to, yeah. Oh, yeah. Getting all sexy again. Oh, yeah, baby. Woo! Oh. Okay. Yeah, I know I gotta dry in here too. Whew, it's getting warm. Still got my sweatshirt on. But once you're moving and riding, it's not so warm. So that's all done. I'll put this away. Yeah, you're good, buddy. You got lots of room. Whew. Alrighty. Well, that's done. Looks much better now. Let's fire this up and see if water shoots out. Yep. Alrighty. Gloves on. Get all nice and shiny and purty. See, got rid of all that crap that was down there. But yeah, thanks again to that lady that gave me that loonie, the $1. Very nice of you. Just goes to show you, people, there still is nice people in the world. Not everybody's evil. Oh, I'm gonna run over all this muck now. Ah, beautiful. Alrighty. And go. Come on, go. spots there. That's okay. It'll dry. Out that way. So we'll take a little tour, a little trip out there and see what's going on. Woo! Oh, I love the bike. All in the legs. See, look. 2 fingers. I can hold it. No hands. See? You don't steer these things by the handlebars. All in the legs. Shift the weight and away you go. Alright, I'm going to close my visor now and enjoy the scenery. That wind is cool on you when you're moving. Holy crap. We've dirt biked up there, onto that mountain there, and there up there before. Stop in here, get a fucking slice of pizza. Slice of pizza. Yeah, slice of pizza. Johnny's on the res. What do we got going on? Was it 2 slices and a pop for $6.50? Yeah? Okay, I'll get 2. I'll just grab a pop. Thank you. Yeah. No beer here. Not in Canada. No beer, no liquor. That's the thing I liked about the Philippines. The 7-Eleven. Just remember. Or did I post that video? I can't remember. Anyways, yeah. Hi.
2 slices and a pop.
2 slices and a pop. Alright, have a good day. This little kid just walked by. He's like, oh, I like your bike, man. Then he ran off. I was going to let him rev it. So, I'm waiting for that little kid. Gonna let him rev the bike, make his day. I've done that a few times. Different kids. You know, hey, they show an interest in whatever. They show an interest in bikes and, you know, riding and motorsport and stuff. Hey, I encourage that. Start them young. Start them young. it. Come on, kid. Not gonna mock. Oh, there's that kid. Oh, come on, you can do better than that. Since that kid's day. That was hilarious. See all the snow up there, holy crap. Oh, lots of snow up there. Now. Oh, there's a horsey. That I was looking at just over there, that wasn't there before. That must have broken off and fallen down. Thought I'd take this down here. I don't know if you can get over to that train bridge. What? There's still a lot of snow up there. Oh, what was that? I just seen something. Oh, look at that. What is that? There's a marmot. Hey, little marmot! Let's go check out. Yeah, marmots are all over. Wow. That must be kicking up a lot of sediment because usually that water is clear. Like crystal clear. There's a trail down there. I know that's like for dirt biking and stuff. That's how I know this spot. But yeah, let's see if we can get down there. Oh, not there. Ooh, yeah, see, I do that in the dirt bike every time. Oh, there's a road here, or an entrance, whatever you want to call it. Let's go check it out. Okay, sure, why not? Whoa. Off-roading in the street bike. I'm just going to here. Used to come here on the dirt bike when I was ripping this trail. Used to stop here, just have a break. Hopefully that's not going to sink. Maybe. Get it on top of a rock. There we go. Yeah, like I said, normally this water is crystal clear. So there must be a lot of sediment or something kicked up in the water. Because normally, like I said, that's crystal clear. It's a cool little spot that I like. Huh. Just noticed something else too. I don't think those boulders were in there, or that one. Huh. I might be wrong though. Yeah, there's woods and bush and forest and whatever you want to call it all over here. You can go along pretty good. Actually, yeah, somebody has been here doing something, because all of this wasn't here either last time I was here. I don't think I came here last summer. I think it was the summer before. Yeah, I don't remember all this. No, that wasn't there. So but farther down this road, there's another river. I can't remember the name of all these rivers. But anyways, that other one is where all the salmon go. So when it's, I believe they go in August, I think it is. August, and for salmon fishing, and that's when they run. See, that's pretty high. That's the road right there, and then all the way up there. But yeah, anyways, the salmon, so you'll see them all along the banks of that river farther down there. I'll stop there next time when I go out that way, to go that far out, and I'll give you a view of it. Now I don't want to, I just washed the bike. So I don't want to go down, because that road over there turns into a dirt road, so I really don't want to go on the dirt road. Yeah, we did this in a dirt bike. When you get to the top, it's like a little lip, you just jump. I'm not going that way this time. That car, he just came around that bend. So I waved her through. Like, yeah, go ahead. I fucked up. You got the right of way. Oh, that's a big hole. You want to hit that. I guess we can continue on down that road a little bit.